Sometimes playing the button box you run out of fingers and you find yourself obliged to shift using the same finger from one button to another. Now there's nothing wrong with that and you have to do it sometimes. But here's a little trick for in a specific situation for avoiding that. Now imagine you're playing a passage like this one in The Kid on the Mountain. Now, if you want to play that G, either to play a roll or some other kind of decoration, you're probably going to use your middle finger to do it. And having accomplished the decoration, you then have to shift. What you can do is, even when playing a roll, you can actually change the fingers that you use, and you can bring your ring finger in for the final component, like this. And hey presto, you suddenly have enough fingers. I'll just try and show that more clearly. Useful trick. Another situation on C-sharp D box where you might find that useful would be in this tune, The Queen of the Fair, if you played a roll on the... Instead of having to shift like that. Hey presto. Another situation I found it very useful to use this trick is in Dowd's number 9, where if you finish a roll on the or other decoration on the F sharp with your middle finger, you need to jump down here to play that little variation there. But if you use your third finger, it becomes easy. Hope you find that useful.